To all of you our YouTube channel Prashant Online School. My name is Prashant Kumar Tamde. I am assistant teacher in Sri Bhairavnath Vidyalaya Vanpuri, Purandar Puri. Please share, subscribe and click on bell icon to give new notification of these channels. Standard 10 Mathematics Part 1st, second chapter Quadratic Equations. Student, you have studied polynomials in last year. You know types of polynomials according to their degree. First type is linear polynomials. What is meant by linear polynomials? A polynomial in one variable having degree 1 is called linear polynomials. Second type is quadratic polynomials. A polynomial in one variable having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomials. Now student, some activities are given here. Classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic polynomials. Some examples are given. 5x plus 9, x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x minus 7, 3x square minus 5x and 5x square. This type of questions asked in board exam for 2 marks. Linear polynomial and quadratic polynomials. Student, we are classify these examples, given examples into linear polynomials and quadratic polynomials. First example is 5x plus 9. In this polynomial containing one variable and having degree is 1, therefore it is linear polynomials. Second example is x square plus 3x minus 5. In this polynomial containing variable 1 and having degree is 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomials. Third example is 3x minus 7. In this example containing one variable, here x a variable and degree is 1, therefore it is a linear polynomials. Fourth example is 3x square minus 5x. In this polynomial containing one variable x variable and having degree is 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomials. And last one example is 5x square containing one variable and having degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic polynomials. Now student, let's start quadratic equation. What is meant by quadratic equations? The equation involving one variable and having the maximum index of the variable is 2 is called quadratic equations. For examples, 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this example containing one variables, which one? X is the only one variable and having maximum index of the variable is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equations. Standard form of quadratic equations is the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called the standard form of quadratic equations. Here a, b, c are real numbers and the value of a is not equal to 0, then this type of equations is called standard form of quadratic equations. For examples, 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. The given equation is standard form of equations, means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When compare this given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get value of a, b, c. Value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 2. All these three values are real value. Therefore, and the value of a means here value of a is 2. Therefore, value of a is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equations. Student, some activities are given. Complete the following tables. You have to given quadratic equations. X square minus 4 is equal to 0. Second equation is x square plus 2x is equal to 0. Student, you have to write down standard form and value of a, b, c. Here first example is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. In this polynomial, having x terms are miscible. When write down the given equation in standard form, the miscible term having coefficient is 0. Therefore, the given quadratic equation in standard form is x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then compare this given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of a, means coefficient of x square. Here no coefficient, it means having one coefficient. Therefore value of a is equal to 1. B is equal to 0. B means coefficient of x variable. Therefore 0. And c is the constant term having negative terms. Therefore c is equal to minus 4. Next example is x square plus 2x is equal to 0. In these equations, the constant terms are miscible. And take constant term is 0. Therefore, the given equation in standard form is x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. Compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of a is equal to 1. B is equal to 2 and constant term c is equal to 0. Next point is roots of the quadratic equations. The value of the variable which satisfy the given quadratic equations are called root of the quadratic equations. Take any value of the variables in given equation, then equation becomes balanced, means LHS is equal to RHS. This value is called roots of quadratic equations. For example, if x is equal to 1 and minus 1s are the root of given quadratic equations, given equations is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Substituting x is equal to 1, we get LHS is equal to 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Therefore, 1 square is LHS is equal to 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 5. LHS is equal to 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the root of the given quadratic equations. Now student, substituting next value of x is minus 1. Therefore, substituting x is equal to minus 1 in given equations, we get minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Square of any negative number is positive numbers. Therefore, LHS is equal to minus 1 square is plus 1. 4 into minus 1 into minus 4 and minus 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to 1 minus 9. Therefore, LHS is equal to minus 8. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS having value is minus 8 and RHS having value is 0. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not the root of the given quadratic equations. Practice set 2.1. The first question is, question first, decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Student, this type of questions asked in board exam for 1 marks. First example is y square is equal to 5y minus 10. Quadratic equations, the equation involving one variable and having the maximum index of the variable 2 is called quadratic equations. The given equation is y square is equal to 5y minus 10. First write down the given equation in standard form, means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore transfer this RHS side terms, means 5y minus 10 on left hand side. Therefore equation is y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. This plus 5y transfer on LHS side becomes minus 5y, and minus 10 becomes plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation is y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. In this given equations involving one variable, which variable? Y variable, and the maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equations. And also when compare the given equation with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 10. All these three values are real numbers and the value of a is not equal to 0. Therefore the given equation is quadratic equations. Therefore in this equation y is the only variable with the highest index 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equations. Next example is m plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. First solve these two brackets, means multiplication of binomial to binomials. It means multiply first binomial of each term to second binomial of each terms, means m into m minus 5 plus 2 into m minus 5, means m into m square minus m into 5m plus 2 into m 2m plus 2 into 5 minus 10. Therefore equation is m square minus 5m plus 2m minus 10 is equal to 0. These two terms minus 5m plus 2m are like term. Therefore equation is m square minus 3m. Both these two terms having different sign, therefore subtraction will be takes place. Therefore 5 minus 2 is 3 and 5 is the bigger number having minus sign, therefore answer is minus. Therefore m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0 is the given equations. In this equation containing one variables m and highest index of the variable is 2, therefore it is also quadratic equations. Next question is write the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to means standard form, and write the value of a, b, c for each equations. Student, this type of questions are also asked in board exam for 1 or 2 marks. First example is x square plus 5x is equal to minus inside the bracket 3 minus x. First solve this bracket. Therefore equation is x square plus 5x is equal to, when outside the bracket having minus sign, then sign will be changed inside the bracket of each term. Therefore minus 3 plus x. Transfer RHS sides of these all terms on LHS sides, we get equation is x square plus 5x plus x transfer on LHS sides, means left hand side, this plus becomes minus, this minus 3 becomes plus, is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 5x plus minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore these two terms are also like terms, 5x minus x, both these two terms having different sign, therefore subtraction will be takes place. Therefore next equation is x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the given equations, means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next, write down the value of a, b, c for given equations. Means compare these given equations, means above equations, with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of a is equal to, compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of a means coefficient of x square. In the given equation, coefficient of x square having no coefficient, it means having one coefficient. Therefore value of a is 1. B is coefficient of x is 4. Therefore value of b is 4 and c is equal to 3. Next questions. One of the root of the quadratic equations 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Then complete the following activity to find the value of k. Now student, this type of question also asked in board exam for 3 marks, activity based questions. Student, in board question paper, this type of activities are given. Complete the activity. First, in box is the root of quadratic equation. Which one is the root of quadratic equations? Means minus 7 upon 5. Therefore minus 7 upon 5 is the root of quadratic equations. Next, given equation is 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. The given equation having roots is minus 7 upon 5, means value of m. Substitute m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the given quadratic equations. Therefore the equation is 5 m square means minus 7 upon 5 bracket square plus 2 into value of m is minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore here 5 minus 7 upon 5 bracket square means minus 7 square and 5 square. Minus 7 square is 49 because the square of any negative number is positive number. Square of any negative number is positive. Therefore minus 7 square is 49 and 5 square is 25. Therefore 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. Therefore in this bracket 49 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 means 2 into minus 7 means minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Addition of two fractions when the denominator numbers are equal. In these two fractions denominator numbers are equal 5 and 5, then addition will be takes place of numerators numbers. Therefore 49 plus inside the bracket minus 14 means 49 minus 14 upon 5. Then 49 minus 14 is 35. Therefore 35 upon 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Therefore here 7 numbers means 7 plus k is equal to 0. Transfer this plus 7 on right hand side, then value of k is equal to this plus becomes minus. Therefore k is equal to minus 7.